Don't you dare come running back. to me.